Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add custom fields in your WordPress website. Okay, so here the first thing that you should do is you have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for WordPress and you have to log into your account. So the custom fields in WordPress, it allows you to add extra information to your posts, pages, or custom post types. So this feature is useful for adding specific details like product prices, order names, event dates, or any custom data that isn't included by the default in WordPress. So let's start with the editing the website. So just click on edit site or click on the new option at the top left of your screen. So here, just click on the edit site. So on adding the custom fields in WordPress, it's just so easy. Just have to add blocks and then you just have to add the rest of the information inside the block. Okay, so here I'm just going to create a new page or edit an existing page. So it's up to you if where do you want to add the custom field. Okay, so I think I'm just going to use the home page for this one. So you just have to click on it and you'll be able to see here an option where you can add a new block. Okay, so you just have to find the plus icon, this one at the top left, the color blue icon, or here on the block section, this one, the block plus icon. And then the next one is you just have to search for the custom field that you want to add. Okay, so again, when we say custom fields, it's an extra information or a metadata to your post. So for example, we would like to add a paragraph and then you want to add an inside information on this field. Like for example, you want to link it to another website or a product link. So you just have to highlight the text and then add the link on this section. Now, using the custom fields in WordPress provides many benefits for businesses by allowing them to add and manage extra data efficiently. So it helps create personalized content, making the websites more dynamic and tailored to specific needs. So for example, an online store can use custom fields to display product specifications, while a real estate website can add property details like price and location. So this improves organizations, enhances the user experience, and makes information more accessible. So with the plugins like Advanced Custom Fields or ACF, businesses can easily customize their websites without needing advanced coding skills. And overall, the custom fields help the businesses create professional, well-structured, and highly functional websites that attract and engage customers. Now let's try to add a photo or connect it to our Google Photos. So you just have to go in the section and then just have to provide your image. So we can also use media from pixels, free photos. So you just have to search for it. For example, I'm going to use a photo from real estate section. So I'm just going to use this one and then just have to select the photo that you want to use. So that just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then the image will be added to this section. Now, if you were to ask the success rate of using the custom fields in WordPress for businesses, it will depend on how effectively they are implemented. So when used properly, the custom fields can improve website functionality, enhance the user experience, and streamline content management. So businesses can rely on structured data, such as e-commerce stores, real estate listings, or service providers. So often see increased customer engagements and higher conversations rates. Okay, so with tools like the ACF, even non-developers can easily manage and display important information. So while there's no fixed percentage for success, businesses can optimize their use of custom fields, often experience better website performance, and improve the customer satisfaction and higher sales. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.